Alright, hey, Yoshi here, and I've got these 5 photos right here of all relatively the same scene at different exposures. And what we're gonna do is gonna do a cool photo merge in Affinity Photo, HDR photo merge. So we do a new HDR merge, I open the photos, click OK, and the magic of technology, it lines all the photos up, merging all the sources. And this is a nighttime scene, by the way, so it's really, really dark. But if you focus the aperture or the exposure on different parts, you can illuminate it a lot better. But you can only see the parts that are exposed for. So Infinity Photo, this is just the James Ritson customs. I don't know. I think it's built in, maybe not. But effectively, we're just going to click around and see what a look that we like, and I'm going to change the exposure too a little bit. Ooh, summer glow. Ooh, I really like the yellow. Say if we take that, we can change the color temperature just a little bit. Maybe darken the highlights just a smidge. Yeah, I mean, I like the look of that. That's pretty nice. So we'll go ahead and apply that. I think that's it. There are plenty of other things you could do, all these different adjustment layers, but I am satisfied with that, so I'll go ahead and do Command-Option-Shift-S and export. And that's how you get from this dark photo to this HDR merged photo. So yeah, I mean, dang, it looks pretty good.
And here's another fantastic example of a low light HDR merged photo created with Affinity. Thanks for watching.